Hello, we have today this Caterpillar 70 pins computer, okay? Then this applies for so many systems and engines. If you have any of this computer in a marine engine, in a truck, in a construction machine, okay, an excavator, we can repair it for you. This type of computer has so many issues like fuel injection issues, power supply issues, no communication, driver, the fuel pump regulator driver, okay? We can inspect all the driver circuit, we can check all the power supply related circuit, okay? The high voltage system, the fuel injector drivers. Also, we can reflash it or reprogram it with the OEM calibration software, or if you want any tuning service, we can also provide it for you. Okay, then if you have one of these computers, are having problem with it, just give us a call and we can check it out for you.